Hey there. I want to do a beginner's guide to Blender. Just the very minimum, to get started. If you've downloaded and installed Blender, you should be looking at something like this. You've got a viewport here with a cube in it. To move the cube closer to you, if you just scroll your mouse wheel forwards or backwards, it will zoom in or zoom out. If you hold down the mouse wheel, keep it held down and move your mouse, you can kind of rotate around this thing. Now this is what's known as an object. Well, it's a cube, but it's an object. An object you can move around. So if you want to grab it, if you press G, oh no, nothing happened. If you left click on it, I guess it's highlighted orange border around it. Then if you press G to grab it, then you've grabbed it, and you can just drag this cube around, and you left click to put it back down again. You can press down R for rotate, and then it will rotate. Can you see it's got like a little two-headed arrow with dotted lines? The further away the dotted line is from that little tiny orange dot, the kind of slower the whole thing will move. So if I've got a long dotted line, it's moving slow. If I've got a little tiny short dotted line, then it zips around out of control. And we've also got, if we want to make it bigger or smaller, we can scale it up and down, and we press the keyboard shortcut S, scale, to scale it up and scale it down. Now while I'm thinking about this, if I press S to scale it, and my mouse is a long way away from this little tiny dot, and I press S, then I've got kind of fine control over how big and how small it is. Left click to release it. But if I have my cursor right close to the thing and I press S, then it'll go huge, big, and it's really difficult to control. Okay, that's the absolute basics of moving things around. So we've got a scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out, nearer, far, further. We have to select the object to move it, so left click on the cube to move it, and now it's highlighted, and now we can grab it using G for grab, or we can rotate it using R for rotate, and we can scale it using S for scale. And we know about moving the cursor in and out. That's plenty for beginners lesson 1. Thank you for watching.